Hi friends, I hope so you all are fine. Welcome to my new video. In this video we will discuss about software. So come to my Google screen and see here what is software. Software introduction that tell a computer what to do. Software that entire set of programs and routines associated with the operation of a computer system. The term was coined to different these instructions from hardware, the physical component of a computer system, a set of instructions that direct a computer hardware to perform a risk is called a program or software program. The two main types of software are system software and application software. System software control computers' internal functioning chiefly through an operating system and also controls such as monitor, printers and storage device. Application software by direct the computers to execute commands given by the users and may be used to include any programs that processes data for a user. Application software includes word processors, spreadsheet, database management, inventory and payroll programs and may other application. A third software category is that of network software, which coordinate communication between the computer linked in the network. Software is typically stored in on the external long-term memory device such as a hard device or magnetic. When the program is used, that computer reads it from the storage device and temporarily place the instructions in random access memory. The process of storing and the performing the instruction is called running and executing a program by software program and the permanently stored in the computer's memory using a read-only memory technology are called firmware or hard software. Bill Gates. Bill Gates in full. William Henry Gates, American computers programmer and who co-founders Microsoft Corporation and world largest personal computer software company. Gates wrote his first software program at the age of 13. In high school, he helped from a group of programmers who compromised their school payroll system and founders, a company that sold traffic counting system to local government in 1975. Gates that are joined the hometown friend Paul to develop software from the first microcomputer. They being by adopting BASIC, a popular programming language used on large computer for used a microcomputer. With the success of this project, Gates left during his junior year and with formed Microsoft Gateway over the infant microcomputer industry greatly increased when Microsoft licensed an operating system called MS to International Business Mechanized Corporation, then the world's biggest computer supplies an industry for use on its first microcomputer, the PC personal computer. After the machine release in 1981 quickly set the technical standards for the PC industry, and MS likewise pushed out computing operating system while Microsoft independent relation with IBM. Gates manipulate the large company so that it become permanently dependent on him. For curricle software makers of IBM PCs or clones also turned to Microsoft of their basic software by the start of the 1990s to had become the PC industry ultimate kingmaker. Largely on the strength of Microsoft's success, Gates assumed a huge paper as a company's largest individual shareholders. He became a paper billionaire in 1986 and within our his her worth had reached into the ten of billions of dollars, making him by some estimated by world richest private individual with few interests behind software and the potential of information technology. Gates at first prefer to stay out the public eye, handling CVs and affairs indirectly through one of the foundation. Nevertheless, and Microsoft power and reputation grew, and especially as it attacked the attention of the US Justice Department, Devin Gates with some become a more public figure and determined to profit from virtually every electronic transaction in the world. His supporters, on the other hand, celebrated his business, his flexibility, and his boundless of finding new ways to make computer and electronic more useful through software. In addition to his work at Microsoft, Gates was also known for his work with his then wife. He launched the William H. Gates Foundation, renamed the Bill and Gates Foundation in 1999, in 1994 to found Global Health Program as well as Project Ind. During the later part of the 1990s, the couple also funds North American libraries through the Gates Library Foundation, renamed Gates Learning Foundation in 1999, and raised money for maturity study grants through the Gates Scholars Program. In June 2006, announced an ongoing gift to the foundation, which would allow it assist the total roughly $60 billion in the next 20 years at the and global development as well as community and education in the United States. After a short transaction period, Gates day by day of Microsoft in June 2008, although he remaining chairman of the board, in order to devote more time to the Bill Gates Foundation. In Feb 2014, he stepped down as chairman but continued to serve as a board member until 2020. During the time, he was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom 2016. The documentary series Inside Bill's Brain, Bill Gates, appeared in 2019. 2 years later, Gates and his wife divorced. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.